Mr. and Mrs. Yes, well, now the fact that you have sought marriage guidance means you want your relationship to work. So, bearing that in mind, try to be honest at all times. Remember, this is a safe place. I'm not here to judge you. So, why don't we start with you?
No, start with me. I want to go first.
Why should you go first? I am the man, so I say I am going first.
You're always first. You even die first.
Who said I will die first? Hopefully you will go before me, and maybe then I shall get some rest.
So now you're wishing your bad spirit on me. Pwah! I will never die. Touch wood.
Okay, why don't we start with you?
I've changed my mind. Let him go first.
Why should you tell me when to go? I am the man, so I say you are going first.
You see how violent he is? You know, sometimes he tries to kill me.
That is a lie. I never lay a finger on her, but in my country, I would have slapped her by now.
What can you slap, Come here.
Okay, Mrs. Let's try an exercise. I want you to look at your husband and say 3 things you love about him. In your own time?
3 things.
Or just one thing? Anything?
You see how she's looking at me? The devil is in her eye.
I was about to say something sexy.
Oh, yeah. You see, she's a witch. She's always casting a spell on me. One day, I woke up and I was bald.
You have alopecia.
That's a lie.
And how can I get you at night? You know, he makes me sleep in the basement.
But I'm sure he doesn't.
Are you calling my wife a liar?
How dare you? In my country, I would have slapped you by now.
What can you slap?
Stop it. You know I like it. That's my urogene zone. Come on.
Hey.
You naughty boy.
You dirty girl.
Come here.
Stop watching us.
Look away. You are a pimp.
The point of you coming here is that you can say things to each other that you are afraid to say to one another on your own. So, is there anything that one of you would like the other one to know?
Yes. I want to say something.
Good. I want you to turn to your wife and just be honest with her. Remember where you are.
Well, sometimes I am tired. I cannot make the love every Wednesday.
And why not? Am I not attractive?
You see this? Does this excite you? Look.
Now, Mrs. Okay, now your turn. Is there anything you'd like to say to your husband?
Maybe there is one thing. I used to be a man.